So my girl Lisa Cook, Federal Reserve Board of Governors member, the first Black woman in 100 years involved, yesterday and today participated in Federal Reserve meeting, despite the fact that this guy, Bill Pulte, the director of Federal Finance Housing Agency, told Cankles Mussolini that Lisa committed mortgage fraud without any basis, defamed her. He then proceeded to try to fire her for cause, but of course she sued and she won because she had her receipts, because she did not indeed claim two primary residences, her home in Michigan and her home in Georgia. And she did not. Now, this is important because what we're seeing is a pattern. Whenever they tried to come after a Black woman in power, they go for the mortgage fraud low-hanging fruit. They did it to Marilyn Mosby in Baltimore prosecutor who prosecuted Freddie Gray. She was convicted, but she got the conviction overturned. Also to my senator in my state, Angela Alsoberg, during her campaign in 2024, they accused her of mortgage fraud. You have Lisa Cook. And then finally, you have now the new allegation is that the White House is trying to pressure, without evidence, that Letitia James, New York AG, also committed mortgage fraud. Yeah, so the judge, Gia Cobb, the district court in D.C., looked at it and said, no, the law says it has to be during her tenure that she did something for cause, and you're accusing her of something that before she joined the governor's board. And besides that, if the government's going to take away your life, liberty, or property, and your job is considered a property, the government must give you a thing called due process, the opportunity to defend yourself against allegations. And had they given her that opportunity, she would have shown that she did not do as they alleged. Now, the other thing this is important to watch is because back in May, after the Supreme Court was busy allowing Donald Trump to fire all those various different independent agencies, with CFIB, Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, what is it, CFIB? Yeah, all of the agencies allowing Donald Trump to essentially fire them at will, despite the fact that the laws that created them say they should be for cause. We'll get there in another thing. They made a special carve out for the Federal Reserve. They said anything we're doing does not apply to the Federal Reserve, which essentially was a nod and wink to Donald Trump to go find a cause. And the cause they found was baseless. You get one bite of the apple, leave Black women alone. Oh my God. Anyway, I'm JJ Legal. I am in the dockets of the lawsuits filed against the Trump administration and those they fire against them. Each one teach one. Share this video so we know this win.